Humans love creating and inventing. To reach places we can't reach and do tasks that we can't do, we've built things like drones. Drones have saved us money, effort, and risks, from delivering packages to rapid action response to providing a bird's eye view. Our client, an autonomous drone technology provider, wanted their drones to perform accurate facial recognition and deploy them for security purposes. They approached us and we were ready for the challenge. The client's drones used an embedded platform that deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow didn't fully support at that time. We combated low-resolution video data with severe compression artifacts, motion blur, and lens distortion. We then ported our deep learning-based facial recognition system into Jetson TX2 and successfully deployed it on the client's drones. We provided our client with a proof of concept system that enabled them to win new government projects and create a lot of buzz. Glad we could help.